Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I am your teacher Seema Treja. Student, in this lecture we are going to discuss the details of the three sex glands, that is seminal vesicle, prostate gland and Cooper's gland. We also discuss the sectional view of the penis, what type of tissue constitute the penis. So here I am going to discuss these three sex glands one by one. First we will discuss the seminal vesicle. It is about 5 centimeter long, muscular and saccular gland. It opens in the ampulla of vas deferens. Its secretions are known as the prostaglandins. And what is the main function of prostaglandins? They activate the sperm and also help in causing contraction in female genital tract. Help in causing contraction in female genital tract. Second gland is prostate gland. Seminal vesicle is the paired gland and prostate gland is single one. Single prostate gland is present in male reproductive system. It is chestnut type. It pours its secretion into urethra. What is present in its secretion? Bicarbonate ions, lipids which provide energy to the sperm, citric acid, so lipid provides nutrition to the sperm and also provide the basic pH to the semen. What is semen? Secretion of seminal vesicle and prostate gland along with sperm constitute the semen. By the act of copulation, this semen is poured into the female genital tract. This is known as insemination. Third gland is Cooper's gland. which secrete mucus, and its function is the lubrication. So these all three sex glands, seminal vesicle, prostate gland and Cooper's glands, are present in male reproductive system. Next we are going to discuss, here is the transverse section of penis. What type of tissue constitute the penis? That is the TS of penis. Penis is the copulatory organ. It is known as the external genital organ. So this is the transverse section of penis. This is the posterior end and this is the anterior end of the penis. On the posterior side there is present two tissues which we named as corpora cavernosa, which is a erectile tissue which help in the erection of penis. On the anterior side there is present another tissue that is known as the corpus spongiosum, here is present the urinogenital opening, all round this is present the connective tissue. So all this tissue inside the penis help in the erection of penis at the time of insemination. This is all about in this video. With this, the topic of male reproductive system is completed. In our next video, we will discuss the process of spermatogenesis, which takes place in the seminiferous tubule of the testis. Thank you so much.